Hello all! With the purpose of adding more features to our cryptocurrency, in this lecture, we'll add buy and sell features to it. Admin will set the buy and sell price, and then any user can buy T-coins in exchange of ethers and sell them to get some ethers. To do this, we require two variables. First variable named buy price is the type unsigned integer of 256 bits and is public. Similarly, we'll create another variable of same type named sell price. Here we have declared these two variables. By default, both have 0 as the initial value. That's why we don't have to initialize it inside the constructor. After this, we have to create a function for setting the buy price and the sell price of the T-coin. So, let's name it as setPrices, taking two arguments. First is of type unsigned integer of 256 bits, named new sell price. And another one is of same type named new buy price. Now, we need to apply modifier only admin because we want this function to be executed only by the admin, and we'll make the function public. Inside this function, we'll set sell price equal to the new sell price and buy price equal to the new buy price. Both these will be set by the admin when the admin executes this function setPrices. After this, we will create two functions, one each for buying and selling the T-coins. First, let's create a function buy for buying the T-coins. We'll apply payable modifier to this function because it includes Ether transactions. Whenever user will call this function for buying the T-coins, Ether will be deducted from the user's account. In Solidity, you have to include payable modifiers in the function that involves Ether transactions. Make this function public. Inside the function, we will define a variable of type unsigned integer of 256 bits named amount, which will store the amount of T-coins a user wants to buy. We will initialize it with message.value divided by 1 ether. Message.value is the amount of ether expressed in Wei, passed while executing this function. Message.value is divided by 1 ether to convert it into ethers. Now the whole value, message.sender by 1 ether, will be divided by buy price to calculate the amount of T-coins the user will get for the given ether value. After this, we'll apply a check over here, that the balance of smart contract should be greater than the amount of T-coins user wants to buy. If the amount of T-coins smart contract has is less than the amount user wants to buy, then it will throw an exception. After this, we will increase the balance of the buyer by the amount of T-coins buyer has bought. We are accessing the buyer's address by balance of and passing message.sender as an argument. After this, we'll reduce the balance of the smart contract by the same number of T-coins, which buyer has bought. After this, transfer event will be logged that this amount of T-coins has successfully transferred from smart contract to the buyer's account. Till this point, we have defined the buy function. Next, we'll create a function for selling the T-coins named sell. In the parameter list of the function, we'll define a public variable of type unsigned integer of 256 bits, amount, which will store the amount of the T-coins a user wants to sell. First check we have to apply in this function is that the balance of the seller should be greater than the amount of T-coins the seller wants to send. After this check, we will increase the balance of the smart contract by the amount of T-coins seller sells, and then we'll decrease the balance of user by the same amount. Now we should transfer the ethers to the seller. Let's say sell price of 1 T-coin is 1 ether, and a user sold 5 T-coins. Now, the user should get 5 ethers. To do this, we will use require keyword, and inside require, we will send ethers. Message.sender gives the seller's address. We will call send method and pass the expression, which will calculate number of ethers to send. Now, if the transfer of ethers will not take place, then it will throw an exception. This is how you can implement buy and sell feature functionality in the cryptocurrency. In the next lecture, we will add some more features to this cryptocurrency. Thank you.